Hello students, today we are going to see the topic changes around us. So we find different types of changes taking place around us. Yes, right children? Yes, what are the different changes taking place around us? We will see now. See, when you look outside, the leaves, there will be falling of the leaves and growth of the new leaves are taking place on a plant, and change in the color of the sky. Before rain and after rain, you can see the sky, it is changing in its color. Yes, in the morning you can find the bright light, that is due to the rise of the sun, and during evening, dawn of the sun, sunset, also there is change in the color of the sky. Yes, next, change in the color of leaves. When they are about to fall, they change. Always you see they are green in color, the leaves are green in color. When they mature and they fall down, then they become yellow in color. Yes, the flowers will blossom. First it will be in the form of a bud, and after some days it will blossom into a flower. And you can see the height. You are not the same from the childhood till you reach certain age. You are changing in your height and weight. Yes. Next, you can see there will be increase in our length of the nails and also your hair. You can observe they will be increasing. You will be cutting. When you cut the nails, automatically 3 to 4 days they will be changing in the length. They will increase in their size. So these are the common changes which we observe within us and around us. Now in our lesson here, changes around us, here are two different changes we are going to learn exclusively. So the first one is conversion of milk into curd. This is the one change. Next one is change of seasons. So these are the two different changes which we are going to study in our lesson. Now we will perform an activity how the milk will be changing into curd. Yes, right children? Now let us see the activity. Conversion of milk to curd. Yes? See children, now we are going to perform the activity. Here we have taken 3 different bowls with the milk. Here this is bowl 1. Here this is the cold milk. This is the milk in 3 different bowls. So in the first one, in the first bowl we have taken the cold milk, and in the second bowl and third bowl it is warm milk, that is lukewarm milk has been taken. Now what we are going to do is, see, the milk has to be converted into curd. So what we are going to do now? So we are going to add some amount of curd, that is or buttermilk, to the milk, the first bowl, and we will mix it, and into the second one also we are going to add some amount of curd of the previous day, or buttermilk also you can add. Next, in the third one we will not add any curd of the before day. We keep these bowls undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours. After some time we are going to check what is going to happen, in which bowl the curd is going to form. Right children? See children, now we are going to remove the covered bowls and check what has occurred. So after 2 to 3 hours, now we will check in which bowl the curd has been formed. In the first bowl, as we have added the milk to the cold milk, curd to the cold milk, they remain as it is. There is no curd formation. They are milk as it is. In the second bowl, it is lukewarm milk. So In this also we have added curd. We will check there is formation of the curd. The milk has been changed into curd. So, here in the lukewarm milk, the milk has converted into curd. Next, in the last bowl, here also we have taken lukewarm milk, but we have not added any curd. So, they did not change into curd. So, they remain as milk only. In the first bowl, as it is cold milk, the bacteria for converting the milk into curd is not growing. Hence, there is no curd formation in first bowl, and we have not added the bacteria, that is lactobacillus bacteria, in this bowl. So, here also there is no formation of the curd has been taken place. Only in bowl 2 there is the growth of lactobacillus bacteria. Hence, we can say that the lukewarm milk supports the lactobacillus bacteria for its growth and converting the milk into curd. Right, children? Yes. So, we have seen the activity for the conversion of milk to curd. Yes. Next, we will see changing of seasons. So, we can see different seasons in different months. Yes, right, children? So, there are rainy season. After rainy season, we are going to be in the winter season. After winter season, we will be having summer season. So, the cycle of seasons will be continuing throughout the year. So, there are a lot of changes taking place during the seasons. The weather conditions are different. How? They are cool in the winter seasons and hot during the summer seasons. So, depending upon the weather conditions, we are going to have different types of food also. We like to have very warm and hot food during our winters and rainy season, and we like to have cool, that is like curd, cool drinks, lemon juice, like this. We always want to be in the shade during the summer season as the weather is very hot outside. So, there are different in our habits of having our food and also wearing of our clothes also. It will be differing depending upon the seasons. So, how these seasons are arising? Due to the rotation of the earth, it is taking place due to the rotation of the earth. The earth will be rotating on its own axis. Along the rotation of the earth around its own axis, it also revolves around the sun. So, rotation is, it is taking place on its own axis. During this rotation, there is changes in the seasons. When it is moving around the sun, it is taking place revolution. It is completing one revolution. When it is moving on its own along its own axis, it also moving around the sun. So, during this process of rotation and revolution, you can find different changing in the seasons. So, it is the slow, we can say this is a slow process. Here we are going to discussing two different changes which we have performed the activity just now, that is conversion of milk to curd. It is the fastest change compared to the changing of seasons, because you see here conversion of milk to curd is taking place nearly around 2 to 3 hours, but changing of seasons, it is taking place 3 to 4 months. So, this is the slow change, and here milk to curd conversion, it is a fast change. During this change of seasons, you can see when you compare the winter and summer season, the sunrise and sunset. The sun rises very early in the summer season. Before you wake up from the bed, you can see the sunrise, that is from 5:30 to 6 o'clock. In between only you can see the sunrise, and the sun sets late in the evening after 6:45 to 7 o'clock. So there will be a long day. The daytime will be very long during the summer season, and the night will be very short. And when you observe the winter seasons, you can see that even though you get ready to the school, when you come to the school also very late, that is when you start to the school, that is around 7 o'clock, also the sun starting rising. So the sunrise takes place very slowly during the winter season, and sun sets very early, that is before 6 o'clock, that is around 5 to 5:30 only the sun is going to set, and you can find around very dark, and the weather is also very cool during the winter season. So in winters the daytime is very short and the night time is very long. So during summer daytime is long, and during winter the night time is long. So these are the different, why this is taking place, because the sun rises and sets in different directions during the summer and winter season. So these are the different changes taking place in our daily life. Next we will see different types of changes also in our next session.